What's up, guys? Welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Currently on the Miami beach, well, in a hotel that's on the Miami beach in a penthouse. Let me tell you, it's nice. It got a really nice view of the beach somewhere off there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, been on the sand this morning. I actually saw a subscriber this morning. Maybe if we can, I'll try to do a video with her. But yeah, it's really nice here, to be quite honest. The beach sand is really great. But I want to talk to you guys really quick about something. Now, here's what I want to talk to you guys about really quick. I see the messages, I see the comments every now and again where people will say, yo, Soai, I love your channel, I love your videos, you're the reason why I'm even watching YouTube, because maybe you came across a video that you just liked and you've just been following the progression of my life in particular. Now, the thing that's kind of strange is like persons will watch the videos and they don't hit the like button and they don't hit the comment. And that's fine because some persons don't understand how YouTube works. If you don't hit like or if you don't comment, you're basically telling YouTube that, yo, this is a video that is not worth watching, and they will not share it to anybody else, and they will not even share it to subscribers. Some subscribers sometimes don't even get notifications, and that's because the community over here is just not being interactive enough. Now, me as a person, I'm not the kind of person that's gonna be like, yo, you have to like the videos, because if you don't want to like the videos, it's one of those things. If you don't want to comment, I mean, what else can I do but reassess? Currently now, I have another channel called Soy Sauce. I can almost guarantee you a lot of you will watch this video now and go, oh, I can't find it, when it's in the description box or it's in my channel section on this channel, and that's fine. Now, I've been putting out content on there that I really love because I get to do challenges, which is another side of me. I like challenging myself and I love food and I like talking about it. Recently I did a video on Tokyo treats, and it's so cool that, you know, a company will send you out a box of treats because they see who you are and realize like, yo, this is the person to send their product to. You know, so I'm definitely gonna be working over on Soy Sauce a lot, because there I find like the interaction rate is a lot different. I'll put out a video and it will have 300 views but 50 likes, and that's a higher like percentage than on Soy Vlogs. I don't get it. On Soy Vlogs, I'll have a video that will have, let's say, 3,000 views but only 300 likes. That's only 10%. So that's what I'm gonna do. You're gonna find me over on Soy Sauce a lot more than Soy Vlogs. I'll never stop vlogging. So I'm not gonna come here and be like, oh, I'm done with YouTube. I'll never do that. You guys know I like making content, but for now, I'm definitely gonna hold back on how much I put out. I won't try to put out a vlog every single day. Maybe I'll just focus on making more meaningful content that's a bit longer, but they're far apart when it comes on to posting, until I get to the point where I realize that persons are liking the videos and it's telling me and also YouTube that you like this content creator and you like the content that they're putting out. Now, I do know some persons will be kicking back and saying, yo, I want to see you doing, you know, catch and cooks or cooking by the river. I've done that before, and sometimes the like ratio is still not even good. You see what I'm saying? People tend to go towards more provocative content or provocative thumbnails or whatever, and that's not what I want to do. I want to live, you know, a good and meaningful life, and then if it clicks with other people, even if it's 1,000 persons that watch the videos, if I were to get like 300 likes from 1,000 people, yo, that would mean a lot for sharing the videos even more, if you get what I'm saying. But anyway, I know some of you even skipped off the video because you wanted to see some booty or something like that. But I'm gonna head down to the beach right now. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned, I actually saw subscribers at some point, I think it was this morning. So maybe I can maybe do a mukbang over on Soy Sauce with her or something else. I don't know, but I'm gonna enjoy my time here. My birthday is on the December 27th, so it's coming up, and I'm gonna enjoy as much as I can. Again, if you don't see a lot of content from me over here, it's because the interactions really suck. I'm being very honest. Not getting enough comments, not getting enough likes on the videos, and that's fine. I'll just make less videos, but keep them more maybe meaningful. But on Soy Sauce, I'm gonna be posting like you get the idea. Catch you guys soon. All right, I'm gonna show you guys quickly because I know some persons might want to travel. And that's the Miami beach. Sorry if you can't really see so much, but there are people dotted all over on the beach. Not a lot of people, but there are people that are on the beach nonetheless. And of course, there are people that are down there in the pool. All right, let's head downstairs. Which one is it gonna be? Left or right? I think it's gonna be on the right. If I'm wrong, if I'm right, drop a like on the video. You know, I'm wrong. All right, I don't know about you guys, but as a Jamaican, I've never swam in American water before. Reason being, like, how can I say? I'm afraid of sharks. It might be dumb, but I kind of am. Yo, speaking of that, the difference about filming in Jamaica, well, in the US, is that the moment that, the moment people see you with a camera here is like, they acknowledge you. It's like, oh, he's a YouTuber. You know what I'm saying? Jamaica is kind of different. It's like, yo, why am I holding a camera there? I'm not gonna get that. But anyway, I'm just gonna chill out here for a little bit and just, yeah, enjoy the Miami vibe. Miami is a great place. I might just move out here. You never know. Alright guys, it's completely a different day. Out here on the Miami beach, rented 2 chairs, umbrella, which wasn't so bad to be quite honest. And yeah, a bunch of people out here, but it's a vibe. Just chatting it up a little bit, have some coffee, have some water. Actually came out here thinking that I was going to edit, but I was like, you know what? Doesn't feel like the right time. This is the 24th of December, so my birthday is like in 3 days, man. So like, yo, let me just relax. Some guests from the hotel that I'm staying at are here, and we were just talking about a bunch of stuff while looking at the ocean. The ocean here is a little bit, well, not a little bit, a lot rougher than in Jamaica, but it's not so bad. The sand is pretty good. And there are the peoples over there from Detroit, right?
From Detroit.
All right. Awesome, cool people, guys. Just sitting and chatting.
Merry Christmas.
Oh yeah, it's great.
Holidays.
Straight up.
New Year.
How you guys liking the beach though?
Love
Great.
it.
You love it?
I definitely enjoy it. Be comfortable for sure.
Comfortable.
I can't even complain. It's people friendly, as you can see.
Yeah.
That's the good part about it.
That's a good part. Right.
That's the good part.
I feel good. I can't complain.
Everybody mind their business. That's the good part too.
Right.
Yeah, you gotta love that. You gotta love that.
Alright guys, I honestly do not know what part of the video I'm at. Well, yeah, after the beach. So I'm out here at the tavern, it's called, yeah. Met a really cool person on the beach today, and yeah, just decided to go out for dinner. I think, like I always try to portray on all the videos, is really just connecting with people. You know, a lot of you guys I've connected with, you've watched the videos, and for some reason you feel like you connect with it in a deeper level. And yeah, that's all I kind of want to do with my life, just travel, get to know people, and for them to also share their culture. So I'm here at the tavern, gonna get some food. We're on the roadside. Here feels kind of, what kind of setup is this? Is this kind of like a Paris type of thing, like that road? Alright guys, so I ordered, what is this kind of? It's mussels with white sauce. I'll tell you guys what I think. Alright guys, so the mussels was exceptional. It was like really good. Got, you guys know, filet mignon, shrimp, potatoes, asparagus, and Ashley, what did you get? You got
chicken panini with bacon and avocado with salad and fries.
Awesome. You never had that before, right? Okay, so at the end you'll tell me what you think?
Sure.
Awesome. Yo, life is super magical, guys. I ain't gonna lie, like went out to eat with a perfect stranger Had a great evening. Just spoke, chatted, like vibed, shared stuff, and yeah, just walked her to our hotel because we were very close to the hotel, to the restaurant. Walked her to the hotel. I'm now going to mine, and maybe I'll never ever see this person ever again in my life because I leave here tomorrow. And yeah, life is great, man. Anyway, I'm gonna end this video here. I know it was everywhere, it was all about, but remember 2 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.